Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can find icons for our desktop by default when you're going to install Windows 11. So you actually couldn't be able to see any icons of my computer, only recycle bin and other icons that you're going to install new app is going to show up here. So if you want to see my computer, network, control panel, user files, so how you can find those desktop icon with Windows 11. So let me show you. I'm going to right click here and go to this personalize, and it's going to open me this personalization. So here I need to click on the theme. So here I need to scroll down so we can find this desktop icon on the setting. So here you can see we have this desktop icon setting. I can check this computer so I can see my computer on the desktop, or I can select this user profile, network and control panel. By default recycle bin is available, and also if I select this my computer, so we already changed the icon. So if you want to bring that to default, so I'm going to click on restore default. What if I want to change that? We are going to select one of these desktop icon and click change icon. Then it's going to open as this icons which is available in this path. So you can see this images.dll available. So if you want to bring another icons that you want to select from those icons, you can click on the browse, but this looks pretty good, so I can select a different icon for my other icons on the desktop. So here if you want to make that default, so we are going to click on default, and also we have this allow. If you want to actually change icons, allow team to change desktop icons. If you want to give it allow for the team to change icons, so you can give. So I'm going to apply and OK, and I'm going to close this here. This was the settings of Windows 11. Maybe you watch our previous videos about that, we made tutorials about the Windows 11 in our channel. You can find a lot more videos. So now these icons now show up here. You can see that we have all the icons. So also with Windows 11 we have like if you right click, go to view, we have this large icon, so we can see large icons on our desktop, and also we have two more like this medium and also a small one. So this is how we change this is how we find the icons on the desktop with Windows 11, and also how we can change the icon from this setting as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and it really help you finding or changing your icons with Windows 11. If you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, so you can see more of Windows and technology techniques, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon on the subscribe button, so you're going to be notified about our future videos. So see you guys until next video.